Welcome back to Crypto Talk, guys. So I wanted to run down a couple things on the market cycle from the macro perspective, and I want to give some kind of guidance here. Again, I'm going off of just the last two market cycles as my reference points. So what you see here is the time from when we broke out from the previous all-time high to now, and at what kind of time frame we had. So from 2013 to 2017, you had this breakout, right? And in April of 2017, and we had a peak, right? So on that one was more exponential, and that one was a true blow off top, and it took 244 days for that to happen. We got shortchanged the last go around. We only had 121 days from that breakout point to the all-time high, or actual market cycle top. We had a higher all-time high over here, but that was more of an extended cycle. So that was 121 days. So what I've drawn over here, and it actually aligns well with this other, my BLX chart I use on a regular basis, which I'll show you guys in a second. But basically it shows that we have a potential market cycle top of March of 2025, which I keep talking about. And of course, if we have the 2017 extended cycle push and or a true significant liquidity grab, blow off top, massive influx of institutions and retail, FOMO, then we could push as far out as October of 2025. So I will be watching things like a hawk in the coming months in terms of looking for signs of weakness, slowdown. I will say at the moment, monthly RSI is flat and very tight. So it could come back down. If this is a double top, that's not a good sign on a monthly. But it's too early to tell. Money flow is still increasing. VWAP is still slightly up, even though it's starting to flatten. So this should be a consolidation phase before we have a big move higher. So that's what I'm looking at locally, and I wanted to bring that to everyone's attention and how and why I'm getting to the dates I've been talking about. So let me drop off this screen here, come back down to my actual BLX chart. And this is how I've deduced all of that anyways. So what I just showed you is exactly corresponding with what I had projected over a year ago. So March of 2025 is the real market cycle top based off of the original high from March of 2021, which is the one the Pi cycle top indicator called out. And about a dozen other indicators actually pointed as the true high, even though we had a higher high later in October of that year. So the question is going to be coming is, are we going to have more of a traditional blow off top that crypto had before last time? Last market cycle, we got stunted because of the non-spot Bitcoin ETFs. So we literally, the day they announced that is the day they dropped the price. It started the bear market. So that is what I'm watching, guys. Pay close attention to what happens here in the short and the more of the macro perspective in the next month. I will keep you guys updated. I want to give you a monthly only perspective. The weekly has a red dot. So we are seeing some signs of slowdown, but I think it's just a consolidation for the next 10 days or so before we have a push higher towards the end of the year. So with that said, nothing to say is financial advice. Best of luck. Thank you for all your support. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blackguard Discord, and if you need some help, head over to my private coaching over in the Patreon. Fusio will be launching its token here in Q1. I will give more updates when I am legally able to do so, and I will touch base on that soon with its own video. Thanks.